Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this makeup video. So this week I'm being inspired by Van Gogh's sunflower makeup painting. And if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So Van Gogh's sunflower painting, I want to be inspired by the colors, a little bit the shape, but not so much, mostly the colors, and that's all basically, a little bit the shape, yeah. So the first color I want to go in with is the W7 Sherbet Pop, and it is the Frozen, which is this one right here. And with this I want to go in with a flat brush like that one, just because it will give me the precision that I need and intensify as I need. I will be going over with my finger just because I want it to be more intense. This is also the color that is closest to the painting, according to what I have, the background of the painting at least. Then we're on to the next color, and for this I want to be using the Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones Mother of Dragons, and I want to go and use Castle, which is this one right here. And for this I want to be using, I guess, the same flat brush, so I will use that. And this one I wanted to go on my lower lashes, and I want to focus it in the outer corner. Then I want to take my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this one, and I just want to blend the lower line, not the blue but the brown. The reason why you want to blend the lower lash line is because you don't want such an intense and dark color to be with such a sharp line. You want it to blend more, especially when it does have a structured shape to it, but it's a lighter color. So if they're not competing, you want to blend the lower lash line. That is why we do that. Now it's on to being more creative and technical. So what I want to create with this is interesting shapes. So I will be using the Catrice Calligraph Artist matte liner that looks like this. It is this color. It's called the 040 Butterscotch, and it has a tip like this one. What I want to be doing with this is to angle this in a pointy way, because sunflower petals, they're not as round, so I want to point and then create a cut crease. Well, draw it in the crease. I'm not making a cut crease, I'm just drawing this in the crease, but then I want to add a little other shape to it as well, so we'll see how this goes. So what I did is I took the brush and I filled in the triangle right here with the same blue color as before, just to make the yellow pop a little bit more. That's all I did, and then I did add some more blue to straighten the line a little bit more, make it more even and in the right position. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. So because I already put brown eyeshadow right here and I don't want this look to be really intense and have a lot of detail, I would like to just use the brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner, mascara for the lower lashes. So I will keep those as is, and I will apply mascara only on my upper lashes. And I'm using the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this. take a highlighter. This is just in case you feel like I'm doing a little bit more than I say I'm doing. That's why I'm telling you what highlighter I'm using and where I'm putting it. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and I'm using the number 1, which is this one, and I'm using this brush for putting it in smaller areas like this. Now make sure you do not put it on top of the makeup if you have it all the way out. You would rather, if you do, be careful and dab instead of drag, because you don't want to undo the work you put in. Then I will take just a really small detail brush and put the same color in the inner corner of my eye just to brighten this up. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Base Fix Setting Spray that looks like this, and I am setting my face. And that is the makeup look, Sunflower by Van Gogh. And it is obviously inspired and not copied, as I wanted this to be a modernized version for this makeup for this painting. So I think this is absolutely perfect for summer and spring and summer. I think I love colors, and this exactly does this, but it does give a little bit of graphic feel to it without being over the top, because we're using light colors and colors that are not too much of a contrast to each other, so they are very subtle. And that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!